Hey, yo, my main compadre. What's up?
Yo, I got this thing stuck in my hand.
Again?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How many times have I told you, do not put your hand in other people's stuff or your hand's gonna get stuck, for God's sakes?
Alright, kid, calm down. Can you just help me?
I'll get a saw blade next time to cut it off.
You own one.
I'll own one right now.
Oh,
Whatever. Did you read the catalog today? Caitlin's really getting married.
why who?
With some guy named Richie.
Are you invited?
No.
Ha 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 ha.
Shut up!
Don't hit me. Have you seen the new Star Wars episode?
The Empire Strikes Back? Yes. The ending scene was pretty great. His hand gets chopped off and he finds out Darth Vader is his father.
Yeah.
Father.
That was a really good episode.
Yeah, it was.
Shut up! You still feeding on Star Wars now. Shut up!
You act like you don't watch it.
I don't!
Okay.
Hey, young man, come back right here. What's your favorite movie?
Chucky.
It doesn't matter what your favorite movie is. Now get the heck out of my store.
Yo, calm down,
No.
guy. That's really fun.
Get out!
No!
Get out!
No!
No.
Get out! No!
Come back.
Do what I want.
Yo.
Shut up, yo.
That's not my name. I changed it. Don't hit me. Ugly.
Be quiet.
Call the police on you.
Call the police right now. I don't give a...
Okay, so back to the Star Wars episode.
Yeah?
Yeah. That was a really good episode. But I gotta go because this girl's picking me up. Alright, peace.
You finally got a girl? I didn't know that.
Hey, you wanna talk some smack? You gotta know. I haven't got a girl for 25 years. So shut up.
At least I macked one before you did.
You're ugly.
Go to your girl and just get out, man.
You're ugly.
Whatever, yo.